It is everyone's dream to own their own home. For most people, purchasing a home is likely the biggest single investment they will make in their lifetime. With new housing starts at an all-time high, it may be time for you to consider getting into the market. If you are looking for a home that is different from every other house on your street, you should consider building your own house. There are a number of things to keep in mind when considering a new home. The first thing to look at is your financial status. Can you really afford your new house? Take some time and do a proper budget, and meet with a financial advisor. Your advisor will help you evaluate the maximum amount of money you can afford to spend each month. Be sure to allow for some flexibility, as there are likely unexpected expenses on the horizon. The next step is to properly identify the needs of your family. Make a list of your needs, and a secondary list of your wants. Once you have decided on the elements you want included in your new home, it is time to locate a good piece of property. Do you want to live in the city or in the country? In a newer neighborhood or an older, established one? Take your time and shop around. Don't feel pressured to buy right away. You will be much happier in the end if you purchase a property that your family will love. Once you have secured a parcel of land, it is time to decide on a house plan. Most respectable building contractors will want to see a detailed plan. These plans can be prepared through an architectural firm, or they can be purchased through various building centers and websites. Your local government will likely require a copy of your house plans before they will provide you with the proper permits and authorizations. Upon receiving your building permit, you should hire a building inspector to ensure that your home complies with all of the laws and regulations in your region. Your building inspector can be a very valuable resource during the construction of your new home. Be sure to have proper insurance in place before you break ground. It would be an awful shame to have your project held up due to an injury on the job site. You might want to hire a construction manager, too. This way you will have somebody in place to oversee the project and ensure that everything is done as it should be. After the surveying has been completed, you will be ready to begin excavating. At this time, your new home is officially under construction. Don't forget your hard hat.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Learn with Cartoon channel, publish a video to your friends.